Hello guys, and welcome back to Ultra Tech Unboxings, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the 2021 Moto G stylus. So I have this awful pair of scissors here, and we're going to open this up. You know, I could have just grabbed a better pair of scissors, but you know, I'm too lazy to go downstairs. Okay. That's better. And there's the box, and it is upside down. Alright, so this looks very similar to the 2022 model that we unboxed very recently on my channel. You can see that this one is it has a sticker here, but it is the Cosmic Emerald color, which I'm very excited to try out. Anyways, this is a 5G version, unlike the other one that we just recently unboxed as well, which was a 4G version. Anyways, I'm going to cut the seal. Actually, cut the seal. Oh my. There has to be a better way to do this. Really? Okay, there we go. So, there's not one on the other side, so we're going to pull it up. You can see this is probably the phone here. Yeah, phone. So we can just pull this out, and that looks nice. Oh my, 4 cameras. We'll get back to this. Anyways, we're going to pull this. No, just close out like that. I feel silly now. Okay, so in here we have a few manuals and stuff. And then here we have a USB-C cable and a power brick. And that's everything in the box. So, let's move all this stuff aside, like the manuals and all the accessories, and let's get back to the phone. So, I made the mistake last time of like pulling this all apart, but I'm just gonna slide it out very carefully. Ooh, that is a nice color. I want to get all like fingerprinty, but I have to like grip this very hard. My cat is staring at me like, what are you doing? Ooh, this is very tight. I guess that's good. Just wipe that down. So, this looks a little bit different than the 2021 one. So, like, this is a stylus phone, so we have a built-in stylus here at the bottom. And then we have the USB-C and a headphone jack, which is nice. We have 4 cameras on the back here. I know the lighting is not very good here. Why did I just turn on this light? There we go. Okay, so you can see we have 4 cameras here. And then on the side, we have our SIM thing. Wait, this thing should have come with a SIM card. Oh, subjector tool. Maybe it's in here. Oh, yeah, right here. So here's the SIM card, a subjector tool. And all the manuals. So if we look here, here's like a little thing. I honestly really like Motorola phones, even though they're not as popular as they used to be when they had like all of their flip phones back in the 2000s. I still think they make pretty good phones. Like, this is a good looking phone. And also the front camera, instead of being there and a notch, like a lot of phones like mine, see, it's like a hole punch. This one's in like the corner, which is nice. And we also have a power button that doesn't seem to be a fingerprint sensor. Maybe it's baked into the... Oh no, it's on the back right here. So, yeah, so we just move this aside. I'll put the box back together and make it look good. And I'll do all this nonsense. So that's the Motorola G stylus, and I hope you like this unboxing video. If you want to see more unboxing videos like this, then consider subscribing, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. So long!